it was only 7 girls the first year. Then last year we had some boys join, and then this year we reached up to 16 kids. So we've obviously gotten a lot more kids, and then we've gotten some more interesting lessons for them to do, and we've extended the amount of time that they've gotten to be around. We've been going over just basic cybersecurity concepts and a bit of cyber ethics, and then math is basically ACT prep as well. And then Python, we've just been walking through the basics of Python with them.
I'm interested in IT stuff, like I want to create games, like video games, because I'm really good at animating and art. So I would like really be good at that, but I'm more of an outdoors person. So conservation biology is my thing. But I would probably really get into gaming after I do conservation biology.
My favorite topic would be about circuits, because like you learn how to connect different stuff to like make something function.
We added in the cybersecurity just so that they can learn a little bit more about more jobs that are in the field and more things that can happen, such like they got to learn about phishing, they got to learn about deepfakes, all that fun stuff. And then we've added in some other fun activities, like today they get to do wobblebots, they got to do circuits this morning, they did soldering yesterday, so they've just gotten to do a lot more fun stuff as well.
So far I really like the math because it's mostly just been geometry and algebra, and I really like those subjects. And I've also really liked the Python and coding, since I always think that's really interesting how that just kind of clicks to some people.
I only got interested in cybersecurity because I went to the middle school girls camp when I was in middle school, and then I came to the high school camp, so I just really got my love for cybersecurity when I was that age, and obviously it's helped a lot with other kids because a lot of the kids that go to the high school camp come to DSU once they graduate high school. So you can see that these camps help out a ton with recruitment to DSU.
I really hope this camp inspires other people to join, because IT is a big impact that a lot of people should really know about.